Hello guys, I'm Alex. We're here at Canon HQ in partnership with Global Academy, and we're going to take you on our student learning day at Canon.
What were your expectations coming into this?
I think more of experience whenever you come to a global event like Canon. Obviously, I've got to talk with professionals in the media creative field, and it's exactly what I came for.
It actually worked out in my favour a lot because I always wanted to be a video and photography specialist, and I was able to work in close proximity with literally someone who has that exact role. So like grilling them for a couple of answers of like things I wanted to know, and then again just like seeing the role in real life.
Well, I expected quite a lot actually, and I think they were fulfilled. We've set up this wonderful studio here for these interviews, and we've got to experience like taking photos with the Canon R5 and R6s.
I had a session with Jazz and Katie, which I really enjoyed, and it was about how to answer a brief and how to work with clients and just how to connect with people, and I thought that was really interesting.
What I want is people to see my pictures and go, I want that camera.
Yeah, all right.
That's what I want.
So you want to not only promote the product, you want to promote Canon as well. You want to prove that their product
the
is
best.
the best.
I wanted to maybe more towards the video producing, but I'm not quite clear. That's why I think this is a great opportunity for me to find out, to know more about the industry.
Yeah, it's a good little taste session of everything.
Yes.
And has this helped? Do you think you're kind of a bit more stable in what you want to do now?
I think today has helped me pave a pathway in my head.